In this part, we are going to talk about another data type, which is dictionaries. Other than this, there are other data types which can also store a collections of data. And dictionaries is has the characteristics which has the key values pairs, and it has the curly bracket and also have the keys and also the values. So for example, in this one, we have the dictionary 1, we have using the number 1 as the key, 2 is the key of another item. So we can point to the first one by putting the key. So remember, this is not the index, this is the key. So you may think a little bit weird why when we put the number 1, why this is not the ball, because actually this is the key. We can also just output the keys by using the .keys functions. So you can see we have 1, 2, which is the key of this dictionary. And we can also just output the values by using .values. So now we have apple and also the ball. And we have also have the .items functions. And the .item functions will return the tuples, which we will talk about later. And we can also using the string as the key. So for example, we can also use A, and we can also use number as the key. And we can also point to the apple by putting the key, which is A this time. So now we can get the values, which is apple, and we can also get the values 1 by putting 1. This is the key, and so we put 1 here. So the benefit of using the dictionaries is just like JSON. So we can have the dictionary which contain the name, the age, and also the email. So this is more straightforward to put the key. So if you want to get the username, we just put user and then square bracket name. And then if you want to put the age, we can get user age to get 18. And actually, inside the dictionary, we can also put apple, the list, and also the dictionary inside the dictionary. So you can see this is the dictionary inside another dictionary. So if you want to select, for example, if you want to select these values and then make it uppercase, we can first select the DDEC. So we put the DDEC this key, and then we put another key, which is B. So actually this will select the values banana. So now we can use the upper functions to make it uppercase. And for example, if you want to reverse this list, so if you want to reverse to output 3, 2, 1, we can select the D list and put the key here, and then .reverse. And then we put the deck 3 again. You can see the list is in reverse order. So this is how the dictionary works.